Want to post TikTok videos every day without spending hours creating content? In this video, I'll show you how to automate TikTok content creation using powerful AI tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate ideas, scripts, voiceovers, videos, captions, and even schedule posts automatically. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate viral content ideas with AI. The first step is content ideas. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate viral TikTok ideas, hooks, video scripts, captions. Example prompt: give me 10 viral TikTok video ideas about fitness. This saves time and helps you stay consistent. Step 2. Automate script writing. Once you have an idea, use AI to create the script. Ask AI to generate short hooks, storytelling scripts, tutorial steps, CTA endings. Keep scripts short and optimized for retention. Step 3. Create AI voiceovers automatically. Now turn your script into voice. Use tools like ElevenLabs to create realistic AI voiceovers. Simply paste your script, choose a voice, generate audio. Perfect for faceless TikTok channels. Step 4. Generate AI videos. Next, create visuals automatically. Use tools like Pika Labs. Type a prompt and AI generates scenes for you. Example: cinematic luxury lifestyle montage. Step 5. Auto-edit videos. Use AI editing apps like CapCut. AI can automatically add subtitles, sync music, create transitions, remove silence. This dramatically speeds up editing. Step 6. Schedule TikTok posts automatically. To automate posting, use TikTok scheduling tools or social media managers. Schedule content days or weeks in advance. This helps maintain consistency. Step 7. Optimize for virality. To maximize views, hook viewers in the first 2 seconds. Use trending sounds, add captions, keep videos short and engaging. Automation works best when paired with strong strategy. Create a workflow. AI generates ideas, AI writes scripts, AI creates voiceover, AI generates visuals, AI edits and schedules. This lets you scale content fast. Important tip: don't fully rely on automation. Add your own creativity and personality to stand out. And that's how to automate TikTok content creation using AI. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video to learn how to monetize AI-generated content.